Ever wondered how to find specific files or information on the internet? Well, today we're going to dive into something called Google Dorks. Despite the quirky name, Google Dorks is a powerful tool to enhance your search capabilities. It's a method that leverages Google's advanced search features to dig out detailed and specific information hidden in the vast digital world. Think of it as a treasure map, guiding you straight to the gold, bypassing the unnecessary clutter. It's a way to tell Google exactly what you're looking for, saving you time and effort. And no, using Google Dorks is not illegal. It's simply about understanding and utilizing the search engine's capabilities to their fullest extent. So whether you're a researcher hunting for elusive data, a student seeking specific study materials, or just someone who loves efficient online exploration, Google Dorks is your ticket to a streamlined search experience. Harnessing the power of Google Dorks can transform your online searches, making them more efficient and precise. To master Google Dorks, you need to understand its syntax. At the heart of Google Dorks lies a set of operators, unique commands that help you refine your search. Let's delve into some of these. First up is the cite operator. It restricts the search results to a specific website or domain. Say you want to search for cat videos, but only on YouTube. Your Google Dorks query would be catvideosite.youtube.com. Then we have inurl. This operator focuses your search on the URLs of web pages. For instance, if you want to find web pages where the URL contains the word blog, your query would be inurl blog. Next is in-text. This operator is all about searching within the text of web pages. If you want to find web pages that mention a particular term in their body text, say quantum computing, you'd use in-text quantum computing. The file type operator is another handy tool. It restricts results to a particular type of file. Looking for a PDF on quantum physics? Your query could be quantum physics file type PTF. There are plenty more operators such as entitle, which searches within web page titles, or link, which finds pages linking to a specific URL. You can even combine operators for more precise results. For instance, if you're looking for PDFs about quantum computing, but only on academic websites, your query could be quantum computing file type PDF site edu. This will return PDF files about quantum computing from educational domains only. Remember, Google Dorks is a powerful tool, but it's also precise. The more specific your search terms and operator combinations, the more accurate and useful your results will be. It's all about understanding what you want to find and how to ask Google to find it for you. With these operators, you can fine-tune your search and zero in on the exact information you need. Now that you're familiar with the syntax, it's time to put it into practice. Let's start with a simple search. Imagine you're looking for a specific file type, say a PDF on a particular website. Your Google Dorks search would look like this: file type PDF site example.com. This search will return all PDF files that are hosted on example.com. Remember, precision is key in your search terms. Now let's increase the complexity a bit. Suppose you want to find login pages. A Google Dorks query could look something like this: inurl login. This will return web pages whose URL contains the word login. But keep in mind, this will return all websites with login in the URL, not just the ones you're interested in. To narrow it down, you can combine operators. If you're interested in a specific site, you could add a cite operator to the query, like this: inurl login site example.com. This will return login pages specifically for example.com. Now for something a little more advanced. Say you're interested in finding information about a certain topic, but you want to exclude a specific site from your results. You could use the operator. For example, if you want information about solar panels, but you want to exclude example.com from your results, your query would look like this: solar panels, site example.com. This will return results about solar panels, but none of the results will come from example.com. Finally, let's say you want to find web pages that have a specific phrase in their title. You could use the entitle operator. For example, entitle solar panels will return web pages with solar panels in the title. These are just a few examples of how you can use Google Dorks to refine your searches. The possibilities are virtually endless. And with a little practice, you'll be able to construct more complex queries to find exactly what you're looking for. As you can see, Google Dorks can elevate your search game, making you a more effective internet user. Before you start using Google Dorks regularly, there are a few key points and precautions to keep in mind. Firstly, let's recap. Google Dorks is an advanced search technique that allows you to find specific information on the vast World Wide Web. By understanding its syntax, you can craft precise search queries to dig deep into the internet. It's like having a supercharged search engine at your fingertips. Remember, the key is to combine the right operators and parameters to get the desired results. However, with great power comes great responsibility. Google Dorks can unearth sensitive data if misused, so it's crucial to tread carefully. You should always respect privacy and the law. It is not a tool for illegal activities or to breach someone's confidentiality. Moreover, be aware that excessive use of Google Dorks can lead to your IP being temporarily or permanently blocked by Google. This is part of Google's mechanism to prevent misuse and ensure fair usage. So, it's not just about ethics but about practical repercussions as well. Remember, Google Dorks is a tool, and like any tool, its effectiveness depends on the user's skill and discretion. It's not a magic wand but a precision instrument. It won't do the work for you, but it can make your work more efficient if used correctly. Also, keep in mind that Google Dorks is just one of the many search techniques out there. It's not always the best tool for every job, and sometimes a simple Google search can be more effective. So, don't get carried away by the novelty of it. Finally, never stop learning. The world of Google Dorks is vast and ever-evolving. Stay updated, keep experimenting, and most importantly, use it wisely. With the right knowledge and responsible use, Google Dorks can be your secret weapon for efficient and effective online searches.